In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Samsung TV not connecting to Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
Now, if you want to access any applications like Netflix, Prime Video, anything like that, you're going to need to have your TV connected to Wi-Fi. So it's very simple to do. All you want to do is go ahead and locate your settings for your TV. So mine are right here. Once you're here, go over to all settings like so, and then just wait for it to load up. Depending on what TV you have, might take a bit longer or anything like that. Then go over to connection. And then once you're in connection, go to network. And once you're in network, you're going to see a few different options, but we want to go over to open network settings like so, and then just wait for them to open up. And then once it opens up, it's going to say configure network settings. And then all you want to do is switch it from wireless or wired, whichever one you prefer. So if you want to use Ethernet, use wired, of course. So I'm going to choose wireless. It's going to be searching for Wi-Fi connections, and then just choose whichever one is your connection. And that's literally it. You'll be connected to the internet after that. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.